Hi my friends, I'm back with my another video for beginners. I have created this video with this look of with very minimum products and minimum brushes, so beginners can understand how to do makeup and they can also create different looks with limited products. So you can see my video and you can learn this look, and I want to give you as much as knowledge and understanding about the products. So whenever you start your makeup, you should understand this thing. Your face needs to be very clean without any impurities on your face. Use this Kiehl's facial cream. This is also for dry skin. So in summers it gets more patchy and more dry because of the weather and heat. So you need very good hydration on your skin. You can use any concealer. I have taken a Maybelline in a shade medium. I'm gonna put it above my eyes before doing my eye makeup. This is just like a base. After that you can use a primer also, eye primer, and nicely set your concealer with your fingertips. This is going to be a base for your eye makeup. After that you can take any natural compact shade or your compact also to put as a powder above your eyelids. I'm going to use beige shades from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to use this as a powder all over my eyelid. After that, with the same brush, this is a blending side, thick blending brush, I'm going to take a sandalwood shade. This is very light nude shade, and I'm going to put it above my crease. Side of the brush on the outer corners of my eye. It's a very beautiful shade, so I'm going to put it outside. And I'm gonna blend it nicely with my blending side. That I'm gonna take Man Eater shade and I'm gonna put it outer corners, both the sides, and then I'm gonna blend it nicely. After that, we're gonna use Flink shade from the same palette, and with the help of finger I'm gonna put it above my eyes. Then on the edges I have taken this brush and I have taken the flamingo shade also, and I put it on the outer edges of my eyes. Then I'm gonna put, you can use any, and I'm gonna put it brush. I'm gonna put it with any small blending brush. You can put it below your eyes. Brush, you can take the same Man Eater shade and you can put it below your black shadow. If it brow gel and brow pencil, and I'm gonna use, first I fill the shade below my eyebrow line, and eyebrow length needs to be till your eye. So this is how we measure. We always measure eyebrow with the eye length like this. Always in upper strokes from front, so it will not look unnatural. Now after doing the eye makeup, we are going to use a foundation. I have taken two pumps from Too Faced. Foundation is in the shade medium honey, and sorry, light beige, and I'm gonna put a pump drops all over my face. I'm gonna, with the help of beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it all over my face. Then I'm using a Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in a shade Medium Honey. I'm gonna put it below my eyes, on my dark spots, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. And then with the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend my concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin. For contouring, I have taken a hula from Benefit. I've taken a here. We have to bring it towards down. I'm going to take a small blending brush. I'm going to blend my contouring, my forehead, and above my cheeks. It needs to be upward motion and nicely blended, Now I'm going to use a Laura Mercier. This is a baking powder, and I'm going to use with the help of any flat brush. I'm going to put it below my eyes to set it, my concealer, and see, with a flat brush, it's so any lip balm, whatever you have. I'm using this from Forest Essential. This is rose lip balm, and it's amazing because it's natural. It's from Color Bar, and it's complementing my eye makeup. Gonna draw a layer. Now I'm using a MAC matte shade, kinda sexy, and I'm gonna put it. Then with the help of that small brush, we're gonna remove a baking powder from below our eyes, from the side of our cheek. Taking a dense brush, blush brush, and Milano Luminoso, and with the help of that, I'm gonna put my blush on my contouring. Then I'm gonna use a fan brush. Any small brush also you can use, any brush like this, or maybe you can use your fingers also to give a nice highlighting touch on your cheeks. And then you can spread it with a you need to understand which product, how you need to use it, and where. So you can use any brush, small brush, little fluffy but little flat above of your chin, cupid bow in the center of your nose, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment and let me know if you want to see more videos from me and some more makeup looks. Thank you so much. Bye bye.